Angle of intersection between two polar curves. So here they given two polar curves, r is equal to a theta upon 1 plus theta, and the second curve, second polar curve, r is equal to a upon 1 plus theta square. First we shall consider first polar curve, r is equal to a theta upon 1 plus theta. So first part is very clear. We have to find angle between radius vector and tangent. We have the working procedure. So that is taking log on both sides. R is equal to a theta upon 1 plus theta. So taking log on both sides. So log R is equal to log of a theta upon 1 plus theta. Log R keep as it is. So log of a by b form. Log of a by b is equal to log a minus log b. Logarithmic property we have to apply. Log a by b is equal to log a minus log b. In place of a, we have here a theta. In place of b, we have here 1 plus theta. So obviously we get log a theta minus log of 1 plus theta. Again here, log r keep as it is left hand side. Log a into theta. So this is of the form again log ab, right? Log ab is equal to log a plus log b. Log a into b is equal to log a plus log b. So here we can write log a. In place of a we have here a, in place of b we have here theta. So that's why it becomes log a plus log theta minus log of 1 plus theta, keep as it is. So now differentiate with respect to theta. Log r. Log r differentiation 1 by r into dr by d theta. Log r differentiation 1 by r differentiation dr by d theta is equal to differentiate with respect to theta. Log a. Log a is constant here. Constant differentiation is 0, right? So differentiation of log a is 0. Next, log theta differentiation. Differentiate with respect to theta. So obviously log theta differentiation 1 by theta into theta differentiation 1 minus minus log of 1 plus theta differentiation 1 upon 1 plus theta. 1 differentiation 0, theta differentiation 1. So finally we get 1 upon 1 plus theta. Next here, we know that 1 by r into dr by d theta, that is what? Cot pi, right? So here they given two polar curves they given here. So that's why we shall consider cot pi 1. 1 by r into dr by d theta, which is equal to cot pi. Here they given two polar curves they given here. So that's why we shall consider for first polar curve cot pi 1 we shall consider here, which is equal to 1 by theta minus 1 upon 1 plus theta. RHS part keep as it is. So next we have to take LCM here. 1 by theta minus 1 by 1 plus theta. LCM here theta into 1 plus theta is the LCM. Numerator becomes theta, theta get cancelled. So 1 plus theta into 1. So obviously numerator will get 1 plus theta. 1 plus theta, 1 plus theta get cancelled. Theta into 1. So obviously we get here theta. So numerator plus theta minus theta get cancelled. So finally we have here 1 upon theta into 1 plus theta. 1 upon theta into 1 plus theta we get here. Left hand side cot pi 1 keep as it is. Observe carefully here. Pi 1 ನಮಗೆ ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಎಕ್ಸ್ಪ್ಲಿಸಿಟ್ ಫಾರ್ಮಲ್ ಸಿಗ್ತಾ ಇಲ್ಲ, ರೈಟ್? ಪ್ರೀವಿಯಸ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಏನ್ ಸಿಗುತ್ತೆ ನಿಮಗೆ ಪೈ 1 ಎಕ್ಸ್ಪ್ಲಿಸಿಟ್ ಫಾರ್ಮಲ್ ಸಿಗೋದು, ಪೈ 1 ಅಂಡ್ ಪೈ 2. ಸೊ ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಎಕ್ಸ್ಪ್ಲಿಸಿಟ್ ಫಾರ್ಮಲ್ ಸಿಗ್ತಾ ಇಲ್ಲ. ಸೊ ದಟ್ಸ್ ವೈ ಕಾಟ್ ಪೈ 1 is equal to 1 upon theta into 1 plus theta, keep as it is. And also in terms of tan we can write here cot pi 1 is equal to 1 upon theta into 1 plus theta. In terms of tan it becomes tan pi 1 is equal to reciprocal. This denominator it goes to RHS. Obviously we get theta into 1 plus theta multiplied with theta, then we get theta into 1 theta plus theta into theta, theta square. Consider equation number 1. We shall consider first polar curve. So then we get tan pi 1 is equal to theta plus theta square. Next we shall consider second polar curve. R is equal to a upon 1 plus theta square. R is equal to a upon 1 plus theta square. The same procedure we have to follow, taking log on both side. Log r is equal to log of a by b, right? Log of a by b is equal to log a minus log b. Log a, in place of a we have here a, in place of b we have here 1 plus theta square. So obviously we get log a minus log of 1 plus theta square. After simplification, differentiate with respect to theta. Log r differentiation 1 by r into r differentiation dr by d theta. So because differentiate with respect to theta. Log a differentiation 0 because log a is a constant here. So constant differentiation 0 minus minus. Log of 1 plus theta square differentiate with respect to theta. 1 upon 1 plus theta square. 1 differentiation 0, theta square differentiation is 2 theta, right? So this is what differentiation of log of 1 plus theta square. Next here, 1 by r into dr by d theta cot pi. With second polar curve, that's why we shall consider here cot pi 2. Instead of cot pi, we shall consider here cot pi 2 is equal to minus 2 theta upon 1 plus theta square. So first polar curve in terms of tan. So second polar curve also keep it in terms of tan. So cot pi 2 in terms of tan we can write here tan pi 2. So numerator goes to denominator goes to numerator. Numerator comes to denominator. So obviously we get minus 1 plus theta square upon 2 theta. So consider equation number 2. Right, from first polar curve we get tan pi 1. In the second polar curve we get tan pi 2. Actually we have to find angle of intersection between two polar curves, that is pi 1 minus pi 2 or pi 2 minus pi 1. ಬಟ್ ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಪೈ 1 ಅಂಡ್ ಪೈ 2 ನಮಗೆ ಎಕ್ಸ್ಪ್ಲಿಸಿಟ್ ಫಾರ್ಮುಲಾ ಸಿಕ್ಕಿಲ್ಲ. ಸೊ ಅದಕ್ಕೆ ಏನ್ ಮಾಡಬೇಕು, ಅಕಾರ್ಡಿಂಗ್ ಟು ವರ್ಕಿಂಗ್ ಪ್ರೊಸೀಜರ್ we have to use the formula, that is what tan of pi 1 minus pi 2. Before going to that, we have to find theta, right? So we have to find theta. Before going to that, we have to find theta by using the given pairs of equations or solving the given pairs of equations. ನಾವಿಲ್ಲಿ ಆಂಗಲ್ ಆಫ್ ಇಂಟರ್ಸೆಕ್ಷನ್ ಫೈಂಡ್ ಔಟ್ ಮಾಡೋಕ್ಕಿಂತ ಬಿಫೋರ್ ನಾವೇನ್ ಮಾಡ್ಬೇಕು, ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಥೀಟಾ ಇದೆ, ಟ್ಯಾನ್ ಪೈ 2 ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಥೀಟಾ ಇದೆ, ಟ್ಯಾನ್ ಪೈ 1 ಅಲ್ಲೂ ಥೀಟಾ ಇದೆ. ಸೊ ಅದಕ್ಕೆ ಏನ್ ಮಾಡ್ಬೇಕಂತ ಹೇಳಿದ್ರೆ ಈ ಗಿವನ್ ಪೇರ್ಸ್ ಆಫ್ ಇಕ್ವೇಶನ್ಸ್ ಇದೆಯಲ್ಲ, ಈ ಇಕ್ವೇಶನ್ಸ್ ನ ಸಾಲ್ವ್ ಮಾಡಬೇಕು. ಸಿಆರ್ r is equal to a theta upon 1 plus theta ಇದೆ, r is equal to a upon 1 plus theta square ಇದೆ. ಸೊ ಅದಕ್ಕೆ ಏನ್ ಮಾಡ್ಬೇಕು, ಇಲ್ಲಿ RHS part ನ ಇಕ್ವೇಟ್ ಮಾಡಬೇಕು, ರೈಟ್? ದೆನ್ ವಿ ಗೆಟ್ ಥೀಟಾ ವ್ಯಾಲ್ಯೂ. ಸೊ RHS part ನ ಇಕ್ವೇಟ್ ಮಾಡ್ತೀವಿ. CO we have to find theta by using given pairs of curves. Equating RHS of the given equations, we have a theta upon 1 plus theta is equal to a upon 1 plus theta square. So given pairs of equations ಅಲ್ಲಿ RHS part ಅನ್ನ equate ಮಾಡ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದೀವಿ. So we get a theta upon 1 plus theta is equal to a upon 1 plus theta square. A get cancel. So a get cancel. Cross multiplication theta into 1 plus theta square. Theta into 1 plus theta square is equal to 1 plus theta into 1, because a get cancelled. So remaining here 1 plus theta into 1. 1 plus theta into 1, 1 plus theta. Next here, theta into 1, theta. Theta into theta square, theta cube. RHS part, 1 plus theta. So this theta, it comes to left hand side, it becomes minus theta. Theta, it comes to left hand side, it becomes minus theta plus theta cube is equal to 1. Plus theta minus theta get cancelled. So theta cube we have here. Theta cube is equal to 1, right? We want here theta. Theta is equal to cube root of 1. Obviously theta is equal to 1, right? So here we get solving the given pairs of curves. Then we get theta value. We have to substitute theta value in equation number 1 and 2. In equation number 1, we have here tan pi 1. In place of theta, we have to substitute 1. 1 plus 1 square, obviously it becomes 2. Tan pi 2. 1 plus 1 square upon 2 into 1. So substitute theta value in 1 and 2. So we get tan pi 1, we have here theta plus theta square. 1 plus 1 square is equal to 2. Tan pi 2, we have here minus 1 plus theta square upon 2 theta. 1 theta square value 1 square divided by 2 into theta value 1, 2 into 1, 2. After simplification, we get minus 1. Tan pi 1 is equal to 2, tan pi 2 is equal to minus 1. We have to find angle of intersection. ಇಲ್ಲಿ pi 1 and pi 2 explicit formula ಸಿಗ್ತಾ ಇಲ್ಲ. So that's why we shall consider the formula tan of pi 1 minus pi 2. Tan of pi 1 minus pi 2 is equal to, we know that tan pi 1 minus tan pi 2 upon 1 plus tan pi 1 into tan pi 2. We have tan pi 1 is equal to 2, tan pi 2 is equal to minus 1. Substitute here, tan pi 1 is equal to 2 minus minus tan pi 2 is equal to minus 1 upon 1 1 plus tan pi 1 is equal to 2, tan pi 2 is equal to minus 1. Minus into minus plus 2 plus 1 3 divided by plus into minus minus 2 into 1 minus 2 plus 1, obviously we get minus 3 minus 1. So 3 upon minus 1 is equal to minus 3. So this is what tan pi 1 minus pi 2. Tan pi 1 minus pi 2 is equal to minus 3. So we want here angle of intersection of pi 1 minus pi 2. Pi 1 minus pi 2, this tan it goes to RHS, it becomes tan inverse of minus 3. So this is what angle of intersection between two polar curves. ಇಲ್ಲಿ pi 1 and pi 2 explicit formula ಸಿಗಲಿಲ್ಲ ಅಂತ ಹೇಳಿದ್ರೆ then we have to use tan of pi 1 minus pi 2 working procedure ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಹೇಳಿದ ಅದನ್ನ right. Here will give the angle of intersection. Step number 3, pi 1 minus pi 2 will give the angle of intersection. If this contain theta, then we have to find theta by solving the pair of equations to obtain the angle of intersection independent of theta. So suppose angle of intersection will contain theta, we have to find theta by using given pairs of equation. Suppose we are not able to obtain pi 1 and pi 2 explicitly, then we have to use tan of pi 1 minus pi 2 formula, right? See here, we use the formula for tan pi 1 minus pi 2. So ಈ ಪ್ರಾಬ್ಲಮ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಏನಾಗಿದೆ, ನಮಗೆ pi 1 pi 2 explicit formula ಸಿಕ್ಕಿಲ್ಲ. So that's why we have to use the formula for tan of pi 1 minus pi 2, right? Yes. Is any question? Is any questions you have, please? Is any questions if you have, please?
No, sir.
No.
No, sir.
No, sir.
No, sir.
Next, we shall move on to problem number 4. R is equal to A into log theta and R is equal to A upon log theta. We have to find angle of intersection between these two polar curves. As usual, first we shall consider first polar curve. R is equal to A into log theta. Taking log on both sides. Log R is equal to log of A into log theta. So here we have to apply logarithmic property.
Log theta differentiation
Log AB is equal to log A plus log B.
1 by
Log A.
theta is equal to 0, 1 by log theta into 1 by theta.
Please, Nikhil, mute yourself. So log R is equal to log A into log theta. So taking log on both sides, so then we have to apply a logarithmic property, log A into B. A is equal to A itself, in place of B we have a log theta, right? So log A plus log of log theta. So now differentiate with respect to theta. Log R differentiation 1 by R into R differentiation dr by d theta is equal to log A constant here, constant differentiation 0 plus log of log theta. Log of log theta, differentiation of log theta is 1 by log theta into log theta differentiation 1 by theta. Next here, we know that 1 by R into dr by d theta. 1 by R into dr by d theta, that is equal to cot pi. So first polar curve, so we shall consider cot pi 1 is equal to 1 upon log theta into 1 upon theta. So this can be written as 1 upon theta into log theta. Here also we did not get pi 1 and pi 2 explicit form, right? Pi 1 and pi 2 ನಮಗೆ ಇಲ್ಲಿ explicit formula ನಮಗೆ ಸಿಗ್ತಾ ಇಲ್ಲ. So that's why in terms of tan pi 1, right? So keep in terms of tan pi 1. Tan pi 1 is equal to reciprocal of this. Then we get theta into log theta. Consider equation number 1. Next we shall consider second polar curve. R is equal to A upon log theta. Same procedure we have to follow, taking log on both sides. Log r is equal to log of a by b. Log of a by b is equal to log a minus log b. Log a minus log b. Log a upon, in place of b we have here log theta, log of log theta. Now differentiate with respect to theta. Log r differentiation 1 by r differentiation dr by d theta is equal to, log a is constant here, log a differentiation 0 minus log of log theta differentiation. Log of log theta differentiation 1 upon log theta into log theta differentiation 1 by theta. We know that 1 by r into dr by d theta, 1 by r into dr by d theta is equal to cot pi. 1 by r into dr by d theta is equal to cot pi. So obviously we can write here cot pi 2 because second polar curves we have here, right? Which is equal to minus 1 upon theta into log theta. So this can be written as minus 1 upon theta into log theta. So here also pi 2 explicit formula ಸಿಗ್ತಾ ಇಲ್ಲ. So that's why keep in tan pi 2 form. Tan pi 2 is equal to, it goes to numerator, obviously 1 comes to denominator. So obviously we can write minus theta log theta. Consider equation number 2. Tan pi 1 is equal to theta log theta. Tan pi 2 is equal to minus theta log theta. So we have to find theta by using given pairs of equation. R is equal to a log theta, R is equal to a upon log theta, right? ಏನು ಮಾಡಬಹುದು ಹಾಗಾದ್ರೆ ನಾವಿಲ್ಲಿ RHS part ಅನ್ನ equate ಮಾಡ್ಕೋಬಹುದು, right? See, we have to find theta by solving the given pairs of equations. So the given pairs of equations we have here, R is equal to a log theta and R is equal to a upon log theta, equating the RHS part. A log theta is equal to a upon log theta. Obviously a get cancelled, LHS a and RHS a get cancelled. Log theta into log theta whole square. So RHS part we have here 1. Log theta whole square is equal to 1. Log theta is equal to 1. Because log theta whole square is equal to 1, squaring on both sides. So then we get the square root on both sides. Or this square root on both sides. Then we get square and square root get cancelled. Square root of one value is 1 itself. Log theta is equal to 1. So all of you know that theta is equal to e power 1. So this log it goes to RHS. Generally we say that like this, right? Log this goes to RHS, it becomes e power 1. So suppose we have here k. Suppose we have here k. Theta is equal to this log, it goes to RHS, it becomes e power k, right? So 1 we have here, we get e power 1. E power 1 value we have here e itself, right? Theta is equal to e. We have to substitute theta value in equation number 1 and 2. So equation number 1 we have here tan pi 1 is equal to theta log theta. Theta, in place of theta we have to substitute e theta e. It's understood base ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಏನು ಮೆನ್ಷನ್ ಮಾಡಿಲ್ಲ ಅಂತ ಹೇಳಿದ್ರೆ it's understood base e. Keep in mind base ಅಲ್ಲಿ logarithm log ಅಲ್ಲಿ base ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಏನು ಮೆನ್ಷನ್ ಮಾಡಿಲ್ಲ ಅಂತ ಹೇಳಿದ್ರೆ it's understood base e ಅಂತ ಅರ್ಥ. ಸಪೋಸ್ ಮೆನ್ಷನ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ರೆ ಅವ್ರು ಮೆನ್ಷನ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ರು ಅಂತ ಹೇಳಿದ್ರೆ, ಸೊ ಇನ್ಸ್ಟೆಡ್ ಆಫ್ ಈ ಇದ್ರ ಮಾತ್ರ ಮೆನ್ಷನ್ ಮಾಡ್ತಾರೆ. ಸಪೋಸ್ ಈಗ ಲಾಗ್ 10 ಇತ್ತಂದ್ರೆ 10 ಮೆನ್ಷನ್ ಮಾಡಲೇಬೇಕಲ್ಲಿ. ಕ್ಲಿಯರ್? ಸೊ ಬೇಸ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಏನೂ ಮೆನ್ಷನ್ ಮಾಡಿಲ್ಲ ಅಂತ ಹೇಳಿದ್ರೆ ಇಟ್ಸ್ ಅಂಡರ್ಸ್ಟುಡ್ ಬೇಸ್ ಇ, ರೈಟ್? ಸೊ ಇ ಲಾಗ್ ಇ ಬೇಸ್ ಇ. ಸೊ ವಿ ನೋ ದಟ್ ಲಾಗ್ ಇ ಬೇಸ್ ಇ ವ್ಯಾಲ್ಯೂ is 1. Log e base e value is 1. In place of log e base e we have to substitute 1 into e. So finally we get tan pi 1 is equal to e. Next, tan pi 2. Tan pi 2 is equal to minus theta log theta base e. Theta value e minus e log e base e. Obviously we know that log e base e value is 1. So minus e into 1. So we get minus e. Tan pi 2 is equal to minus e. Tan pi 1 is equal to e. Tan pi 2 is equal to minus e. We shall consider next formula tan pi 1 minus pi 2. Tan pi 1 minus tan pi 2 upon 1 plus tan pi 1 into tan pi 2. We know that the tan pi 1 value e minus keep as it is. Tan pi 2 value minus e 1 plus tan pi 1 value e. Tan pi 2 value minus e. Simplification, minus into minus plus e, that is 2e, plus into minus e into e square. 2e upon 1 minus e square. So we want here angle of intersection, that is pi 1 minus pi 2. pi 1 minus pi 2 is equal to this tan, it goes to RHS. So we get tan inverse of 2e upon 1 minus e square. Right? Angle of intersection pi 1 minus pi 2 is equal to tan inverse of 2e upon 1 minus e square. Next. So any questions you have, please, regarding this problem? Yes.
No,
No, sir.
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 So next we shall move on to last problem. Problem number 5. R power n is equal to a power n secant of n theta plus alpha, and r power n is equal to b power n secant of n theta plus beta. We have to find angle of intersection between these two polar curves. First, we shall consider r power n is equal to a power n secant of n theta plus alpha. We have to find pi 1 and pi 2, right? Explicit formally pi 1 and pi 2 sikre good, right? Suppose signal antare in terms of tan pi 1, we shall consider tan of pi 1 minus pi 2 formula, right? Taking log on both sides, r power n, right? Log of r power n is equal to log a power n into secant of n theta plus alpha. This is of the form log a into b. Log a into b is equal to log a plus log b, and also log r power n. Here also we have to use logarithmic property log m to the power of n. Log m to the power of n is equal to n log m. So n log m, obviously this is of the form log m to the power of n. We can write n log r is equal to log a into b formula log a plus log b log a to the power of n plus log of secant of n theta plus alpha. Log a to the power of n, log m to the power of n, log m to the power of n, nothing but n log m. So obviously here we can write n log a plus log of secant of n theta plus alpha, keep as it is. After a simplification, next differentiate with respect to theta. N constant, keep as it is. Log r differentiation 1 by r differentiation dr by d theta is equal to n into log a, constant, n constant, log a is also constant. So constant differentiation is 0 plus log of secant of n theta plus alpha. Log of secant n theta plus alpha differentiation 1 upon secant of n theta plus alpha. Secant differentiation secant into tan. Obviously secant of n theta plus alpha, tan of n theta plus alpha into n theta plus alpha differentiation. With respect to theta, we have to differentiate. N theta differentiation is n plus alpha is a constant, alpha differentiation 0. So that's why we can write here n itself. LHS n and RHS n get cancelled. Secant of n theta plus alpha, secant of n theta plus alpha get cancelled. 1 by r into dr by d theta LHS part. Remaining part in RHS tan of n theta plus alpha. We know that tan theta, by using allied angles, tan theta can be written as cot of pi by 2 minus theta. Cot of pi by 2 minus theta. So in place of theta, we have here n theta plus alpha. Try to put in terms of cot. RHS part na ನಾವು ಯಾವಾಗ ಏನು ಮಾಡಬೇಕು, try to put in terms of cot. Explicit form ಸಿಗಬೇಕಾದ್ರೆ correct ಅಲ್ವಾ? Tan theta is equal to cot of pi by 2 minus theta. So in place of theta, we have here n theta plus alpha. So obviously in place of theta, we can write n theta plus alpha. Outside minus is there, so that's why we can write here minus n theta minus alpha. So we get tan of n theta plus alpha is equal to cot of pi by 2 minus n theta minus alpha. So we get pi 1 is equal to cot pi 1, cot of pi by 2 minus n theta minus alpha. Pi 1 is equal to pi by 2 minus n theta minus alpha. So explicit form ಅಲ್ಲಿ pi 1 ಸಿಕ್ತು. So previous two problem ಅಲ್ಲಿ explicit form ನಮ್ಗೆ ಸಿಕ್ಕಿದ್ದಿಲ್ಲ pi 1 and pi 2 ಅಂತೇಳಿ. So that's why in terms of tan ಬರ್ದಿದ್ವಿ ನಾವಲ್ಲಿ, ಗೊತ್ತಾಗತ್ತಲ್ಲ, tan ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಬರ್ದಿದ್ವಿ ನಾವು, ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಈ ತರ explicit form ನಮಗೆ ಸಿಕ್ಕಿದ್ದಿಲ್ಲ, right? Next we shall consider second polar curve. Same procedure we have to follow, taking log on both sides. Log r power n is equal to log of b power n into secant of n theta plus beta. Log a into b form, log a into b, log a plus log b. log r power n, this is of the form log m to the power of n, right? Log m to the power of n log m we can write. So obviously log r to the power of n can be written as n log r. Log ab, log a plus log b. Again here